Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, unlock all Windows natural TTS voices in any app. Only 2 voices are available in text-to-speech app. In Windows 5 voices are available. Open Registry Editor with administrator privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand WoW6432 node. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand speech, click and expand voices, click and expand tokens. Copy registry path and paste it into Notepad. Click and expand speech OneCore, click and expand voices, click and expand tokens. Now we want to add Microsoft Ravi voice, right-click voice, export registry. Copy text and insert into registry file. Save the registry file. Merge the registry file. Restart the system. Microsoft Ravi voice added successfully.
Subscribe and support our channel.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.